so awesome. You know, the only thing I was offered when I was originally had the surgery was implants. And I said, what, you mean you're going to take my good one too? And they said, well, you got to have two for symmetry, or something called a tram flap, which is where they cut you from hip to hip and take the muscle and a blood vessel and move it up and kind of make a breast that has no feeling. So I said, sew me up, something better will come. And I had heard about Dr. Kotaro Yoshimura in Japan, who had successfully regrown the breasts of over 400 Japanese women who had lost their breast to cancer. So I tracked him down, I brought him over here, I hooked him up with a surgeon in the Los Angeles area. We applied for an IRB. It took 3 years, and it finally came through in August, and I said, let's go, before anybody changes their mind. They took the fat from my stomach, boo-hoo, and this is in lay speak, in a sophisticated technology like a centrifuge, whipped it around at supersonic speed and extracted my stem cells, separated them, cleaned them, discarded the weak ones, took the strong stem cells in a small amount of that fat, made it rich with my stem cells, and then, again, for a lack of a better term, took a turkey baster and injected into this breast, and poof, wow. And so what I have felt over the last few months is like electrical zippers in my breast, and that's sort of like what it is the blood vessels and the nerves growing. And to me, the ramifications of what this can mean for the future uses of stem cells, I think of our enlisted people, and we're not that far away from being able to regrow limbs, and I hope this just opens the door a little bit.
I was just thinking that, I was just thinking that very same thing, that if you're an amputee who's returned from Iraq or Afghanistan, for example, and you're thinking about the rest of your life, and you're watching this interview, you're thinking, well, can this apply to my leg, to my arm? I mean, the implications of what you've been through and the apparent success of it are really extraordinary.
It is. I don't really mean to be flippant about it. Whenever I get undressed, I catch a glimpse of myself, and it's frankly thrilling to be whole again and to have no foreign object in me.